The god of death in Indian and Mayan cultures was similar. For the Hindus, Yama is the divinity of death. The Mayan legends too speak of a god of death called Yamsimil or Apuch. The similarity between the names Yama and Yamsimil is striking. In the Indian and Mayan legends, Yama and Yamsimil respectively is not a devil but is revered and sculpted on the temple walls. Both the civilizations took death and passage of time in their stride and regarded them not as the end of life, but as just another milestone in a continuous cycle of births and deaths. This perspective and attitude was possible because life was not considered linear, as in the medieval Western thought, but as a cyclical phenomenon. This similarity in treating the concept of death seems to bring to life a connection between the ancient Indians and the early Americans. Another similarity is found in the story and depiction of half-man and half-lion in India, found in the form of Narasimha. Etymologically, Narasimha can be split as Nara, meaning man, and Simha, meaning lion. The emergence of Narasimha from the pillar is central to the story of the Asura king Hiranyakashipu and his noble son Prahalada. King Bali was asked to migrate to Patala Loka, who was the grandson of Prahalada. Bali therefore would have venerated the divinity Narasimha. We see similar depictions of half-lion, half-man in Kopin in the Mayan sculptures too. Yali is another such morphed creature in the sculptures used in the various temples in India. Similar creatures are also seen in the temple sculptures of the early Americans. The fact that these zoomorphic figures are found to be venerable for both the Indian as well as the early American civilizations seems to point to similar beliefs in these two civilizations and therefore possible connections. The ancient Indians were master navigators with huge ships in which they travelled the high seas frequently. People from India and Ayodhya had travelled to different parts of the world and spread the wisdom and epic of Ramayana throughout the world. The home of knowledge, wisdom and philosophy for thousands of years. This is amazing India.